Advantages and disadvantages of gene editing in the farming industry. Hello, I'm Allison, and this is my science project. Gene editing is a type of biotechnology, which is the use of technology and organisms to produce a useful product. Gene editing can help produce more food with less resources used. For example, tomatoes, you can genetically modify them to have more tomatoes grow per plant. You can also genetically modify them to be less susceptible to droughts and viruses. You can also genetically modify them to be more healthy. For example, you can reduce fats and put better fats and put less gluten in it. The disadvantages of genetically modified produce. They can cause allergies and they can also outcompete natural species. Gene editing is a pretty new thing, so there's no long-term effects known, and there's just a ton of other unknowns about it. In Europe, genetically modified produce is highly regulated, but in the United States, genetically modified produce does not have any strict regulations or testing unless it's from foreign DNA. I think that gene editing is a good thing, but there's still a ton of unknowns about it. I think that gene editing can be very useful for places that have severe drought seasons and different things like that, but I don't think it should be a main source of our food. As I said before, this is a new technology that no one has studied the long term effects of, which is something that I think we should think about. Thank you for watching my video of advantages and disadvantages of gene editing in the farming industry.